Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet and Honey YouTube channel, and for today we will crochet a very simple flower accessory for Labubu hair, and we will be doing a flower headband. Or you can also use this flower to make ponytails for Labubu, and also a ponytail with some flowers hanging. Okay, and like this one, you can make it a headband or a garland, and you can move it up a bit more like that. Okay, this is very fast and simple, and the materials I used are milk cotton yarn, and for the hook size you can actually use a 2.5 mm hook, or if you want the flower smaller you can use a 2 mm hook, and a pair of scissors and a darning needle. Okay, let's begin crocheting. For this tutorial I will use the size 2 mm hook, and let's begin with a slip knot. And chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then on the third chain from hook, so 1, 2, 3, do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook on the third chain, yarn over, pull 1 loop, then pull through 2 and pull through 2. So after that double crochet you will have a hole here. See that? That is where you will crochet the 5 petals. So let's do 2 chains, 1, 2, and double crochet in that hole. Double crochet 1, chain 2, and slip stitch. And that is your first petal. Okay, so we will do 2 more petals here, and then the other 2 on this side. Okay, so let's do chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch. And then chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch. And this side we'll do 2 more, 1, 2, double crochet, and chain 2 and slip stitch, and chain 2 again for the last petal, double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch. So that completes our, let's see, flower. Okay, the last slip stitch. So there is your flower. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then same thing on the third chain from hook, do a double crochet, and in this hole again do 5 petals, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch. Okay, and then we keep repeating that until you have the number of petals that you want. So chain 2, double crochet, and chain 2, and slip stitch. So for me, I make my crochet tighter to have smaller flowers. See, my flowers kind of, I'm just crocheting loosely now, so it's easily seen in the video tutorial. So double crochet, slip, chain 2, and slip stitch. If you have a baby or child, you can also crochet headbands for them. Okay, so chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, okay, and slip stitch. Chain 2, double crochet, and chain 2, and slip stitch. And there you have it, 2 flowers. So if you want to make a ponytail like this one, you can just chain like let's see, maybe 6 or 5 chains, and then attach it here with a slip stitch, and then weave the ends. Then you'll have a ponytail like this. You can do 1 ponytail, or yeah, you can measure the chain so it fits your Labubu's ear. And then after joining here, you can do more flowers hanging like this. Okay, so you can do whatever you wish, but it's very cute. It can also be like a garland, like this, instead of a headband, right? Or a headband like that. And you can do 5 flowers. This is 5. This is 6. You can do flowers all around. Yeah, if you're making it for your loved one, instead of a chain around, you can do chain and then single crochet or double crochet the rest, or so that it will be wider, or do flowers all around. So let's finish off this headband. Do 5 more. 3, 4, 5. Do 5 more. 3 more flowers. Let's do it again. Since this video is so short, might as well just finish. It's a good beginner project also. Okay, 1 more. You can crochet with me. 1, 2, slip stitch, and 1, 2, double crochet. Hope you're having a great weekend, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And next I will show you how I make labubus that are cuter than labubus, and that is wait, let me see which one I finish. I'll show you a baby labubu. So which is cuter, a baby labubu or a labubu? Okay, I'll show you how to crochet that next time. 1, 2. Slip stitch. 1, 2, double crochet. 1, 2. Are you getting the hang of this? So that's 3 already. 2 more. Let's just do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please write down in the comment section below if you've done this, how you find it, and how do you like this project. 1, 2, and if you have any more crochet projects that you would like me to make a video of. 1, 2, and double crochet. Slip stitch, chain 2, double crochet, and double chain 2 and slip stitch, and 2 more petals. 1, 2, double crochet. Oopsie, again, double crochet, one, 2, and slip stitch. Okay, that's flower number 4. You can end anytime you want. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make 3 flowers, and that will be good enough. 1, 2. Let's do 5. So this is the last flower. Okay, again, last flower. One, 2. I normally crochet with a 2.5 mm hook for amigurumis. So this is, oh, slip stitch. This kind of hard for me to crochet using, oh, I made a mistake. After the 2 chain, double crochet, yeah, 1, 2, and slip stitch, 1, 2, and double crochet, 1, 2, and slip stitch. And for the last, okay, one, two, 2, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, and let's chain 20 first. Let's chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see. Let's make this 4. This Labubu. Okay. Should be enough. I like it tight so it doesn't come off easily. Okay. And let's make sure it's not twisted. Okay. And let's find a chain 2 that we did just now. Where's the front? Okay, this is the front. Okay. And then we slip stitch on, this is the front, and we slip stitch here. Remember the beginning, we have chain 2, so let's slip stitch there, and the chain 2, the first chain that we did. You cannot see so clearly. Okay, there. Just do a slip stitch. Okay, and that's it. Slip stitches, just yarn over and slip through 2 loops. And chain 1 and fasten off. Okay. And you can cut and just weave in the ends. Okay. All right. So that's finished. I'll leave you to your weaving in. I'll weave this in later. Then that's it. It's cute, right? Okay. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and please click the like button and take good care, and thank you so much for watching, everybody. Let's all stand up. Oh, we didn't do unboxing today. Next time. Okay. Okay. Oops. Uh-oh. I don't know how to hold all of them. Let's do that. Okay. Oopsie. Say bye. Take care, everybody. And have a great, I hope you're having a great week. And bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.